Hey guys, Joe over here with another video. Just wanted to show you a URL shortener that I set up. It's 64UR, like URL without the L, 64UR.com. So you can pretty much use this anonymously if you want. I'll just show you an example. So that gave me the link. Click it, runs through. That URL redirects to my Google or YouTube channel. It has an extension for Chrome and Firefox. It's open source. It's created by these guys. They banned me pretty quick for sending a link in the chat room to it. It's kind of funny. I got banned for using their software. Whatever. A lot of banning going on the internet these days. But anyway, if you log in, you can do some cool shit and get some stats. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. So here's a report, 3 clicks for the day. This is the domain that I'm running on. Has country and browser, pretty much. Which is good, kind of like Bitly. Bitly's paid. Let's see here. Settings. So you can set up domains. I haven't actually played around with this, but I think you can set up your own domain. I'm not too sure how that works. It's got an API, so if you want to use a CLI interface or something like that, I think there's something on GitHub for a CLI, but you can generate a key. I don't use any of that. I just do the regular old, this is for reporting bad links if you come across something. But yeah, I've added a link to my YouTube. A QR code, that's cool. You can edit it. You can give it a custom name like Joey's YouTube. You can set an expiration date, like 30 days. Give it a description. This custom address is kind of cool. But yeah, I'm going to switch over to this instead of Bitly, which I've been using in my links. It was kind of a pain in the ass. It's got a Docker Compose file, but you want to copy Docker env to .env, and then you need to set up a bunch of stuff, but it didn't take me too long to get it working. Works with Docker. The one complaint I have is I wish the branding wasn't hard-coded. I'm gonna have to go through and I don't need this shit. I'll leave this and this. I'll leave the footer, but like the name, the GitHub link. I'd rather not have that. I'd rather just have it be as simple as possible. But whatever. Feel free to contribute. I'll put a link, 64ur.com. It's a 4-letter domain. And if you want to set one of these up, you can get a short domain pretty easily. Go to expireddomains.net. Click on deleted.coms. Go to filter. Put in, where is it? Length 4. Only available domains. And then you want to do no hyphens. To get a 4-letter domain, I allowed numbers, but you can get them without numbers. So yeah, there's tons of shit in here. There's 8,000 domains available. Let's see if there's any without numbers. No, so you have to add numbers. You need to have numbers. You get a 5-letter domain, I think, nowadays. But I just kind of scrolled through, found one I liked, and then purchased it. These are all expired domains. But yeah, that's how I set it up. All right, take it easy, guys. See you. Bye.